Come test drive the 2025 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.